Tristan, it is, what's the date? 11/23/2012. Tristan is 1.5 years old, and we're working on his animal sounds. Sit right there, big guy. Okay. What does a cow say? What does a horse say? No, what does a horse say? No. Horse. What's a horsey say? Neigh, that's right. What does a dog say? How about a cat? What's a cat say? Meow. What does a lion say? What does a duck say? What else am I missing? What does a monkey say? Good job.
Baby.
What does a baby say? Good job. What's Tristan say? Good job. The end.